Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're doing options portfolio review. It is expiration day, so I'm trying to roll out these options. So first up, AMC. Looks like it's not expiring this week. Let's move on to next week, or to the next option. Go EV. Looks like we have a call, leap, and no options expiring there. Still like Go EV. Go check out my videos on that guy. Nicola. Oh, Milton. He really hosed me on this one. Okay. High flying stock, crashed hard due to some shenanigans. Let's see if we can roll this out. I don't have a lot of high hopes. We're super duper deep in the money. I might have to do a leap roll, if you know what that is. So we're going to roll this out way far into the future. Because I don't anticipate getting any credit for this anytime soon. At any close month. I probably don't even have options available at 35. We're probably going to have to roll it out to at least December, January. 2022. It's only a few months away, so it's not too bad, I guess. We'll see how things look here. See how far we have to go. So yeah, January is what I thought. It's like a leap almost. Okay, well, not a huge credit, but let's see what happens, see if it'll go through. I am not too thrilled about that, but at least I won't have to outlay that cash, but they will hold it in my account. So, well, let's see what happens here. What do you guys think of Nicole? I think I still like the company a lot. I think it's a pretty good deal at $10. If you guys aren't involved with the stock yet, I think it's probably a good time to get in. I hate to commit more money to it at this point. Alright, well, I'll go back and check that out. Let's not dwell. Let's go with Palantir. Palantir's awesome. I love Palantir. Got the call. Looks like I'm getting 100% profit. The put, I might have to roll to just sneak out of the money. See what kind of credit we can get. Oh, that's pretty good. 50 cents right off the bat. Alright, let's go out a little further, see what we can do. Maybe do a diagonal. Let me see. I really like the monthlies. Not really sure. Weeklies are okay, but monthlies give you better pricing, better spreads. You can see only 2 cents here for the spread. It's pretty good. You can see the bid and the ask is pretty close. So, okay, well, let's try this, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'll just take the stock. Okay, Ruth Chris. It's okay, where it's in the money a bit. Tried to roll it earlier, didn't work out. Might have to take the stock on that too. Well, let's see if we can get a credit. See how far we have to go out. Well, it might be okay. We can try this. See if we can get a little credit anyway. Alright. And last one, US Steel. Palantir didn't go yet. Doesn't look like. Let's go back and check that out. Really like Palantir a lot. I think it's gone to the moon. Stock is at least a $50 stock. So be sure to subscribe, see how this turns out, and thanks for watching.